Hi everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Husqvarna 266 XP, very powerful, popular chainsaw. We'll look at some of the features it has. It does have a very nice bar and chain on it. That is the 24-inch bar and chain. Skip tooth, spacing between the teeth. Chisel bit, square corners, square cut. Very popular, very fast cutting chain. If you're wanting to run the longer bars like this and cut some bigger wood, this is the way to go. Very nice feature. Sprocket nose, just less wear and tear on your motor. Working chain brake. Side load on the oil reservoir as well as your gas reservoir. Operator presence lever. Trigger won't operate, won't function unless your hand's in place. Very nice safety feature. Choke is on the right. Vibration isolation motor mounts. Less vibration to the operator, 6 of them. Chain tensioner, loosen the 2 lug nuts right here. Right on the inside is your tensioner right by the large falling spike. If you're looking for a very nice professional grade chainsaw, here's a very nice one.